Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol from Undisputed Market, and if you're watching this video, probably doing some research on YouTube or wherever else about how to make $300 a day passive income online in 2020. So in this video, we're going to dive deep into this topic and we're going to actually look at the ways how you can earn this kind of passive income. So let's dive into this. And before we go into it, I just want to tell you that it's amazing that you're even thinking about this kind of topic, because it's in today's world, in 21st century, it's just literally the best thing you could possibly do, because internet and online business is literally already number one business on the market, and it's just going to get even better and better and better, because the power of internet is just leveraging, and it's just making it bigger and bigger and bigger. And I was always thinking about passive incomes, about online businesses, how to do, how to get more income for less time, and so on and so on. However, I've never succeeded before I learned one important thing, and that is exactly what I want to talk about in this video as a first thing, and that is changing your mindset and making a shift in your mind. And that refers to a mindset that we all have, or most of us are used to have, and it is exchanging your time for money. Now, this mindset is basically, we are learned that in schools, we are learned from our 9 to 5 job. You go there for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, and at the end of the month you get your paycheck, and that's it. And most of us, when it comes to business, we are expecting exactly the same, that you spend the time into the business, and you're expecting results, and then you're frustrated when you don't see them. So it doesn't really work like that. So it's a little bit different. You gotta put more things into it than just time, but you gotta change this mindset first, because obviously when you just think about it, time is limited. All of us have a limited time. We just got 24 hours a day, and you cannot create more time, right? So you gotta change this mindset and just get away from it, get as further from this mindset as it is possible, because that is really not the freedom that possibly you are looking for if you are looking for a passive income, right? At least that's what I'm looking for from passive income, is the freedom that I can go wherever I want, I can do whatever I want to do whenever I want to do, and that's exactly what you can do as well with passive income, right? And just for an example, if you would, let's say, earn, I don't know, millions of dollars, and you would earn maybe even 100 times more than me. However, you would still need to go into your office every single day and literally, spend the time for that money. I would never exchange it with you. I would never exchange your life, your job, your money, whatever it is, because it's just not what I want. It is just not the freedom that you can earn from passive income. So changing your mindset, exchanging time for money, just get rid of that idea. Now, how to actually earn passive income online? Now, during my online entrepreneurship career, I went through different ways and different businesses, and the two that most stuck with me is Amazon business and affiliate marketing. So I'm going to compare these two, because I find them very good example for comparison, as most of them are very popular, or both of them, sorry, are very popular, and most of you already know about them. So Amazon business is just first of all, it's a great idea. It's a great business to be involved in. I've basically done all sorts of ways how to earn money on Amazon, how to sell the products. I was selling online arbitrage, I was doing Amazon FBA, I was doing, I had an own product, I was even a vendor to Amazon, and just done all of these sorts of things that you could possibly do. However, the more I earned, or me and my colleagues, we earned, basically there was no such thing as less time involved. It was, quite frankly, quite the opposite of it. So there was no such thing as a passive income in that period of time that I was involved in it that much, and that really was something that I was still thinking about how to do it, how to make it better, you know. And with Amazon, it is, you know, the more you sell in the volume and the turnover and so on, the more work it basically brings, because you know, you gotta deal with the refunds, with the returns, you gotta deal with the customer service and all of this stuff, which literally makes that daily work for you constantly, right? And even if you're doing Amazon FBA, you get still loads of returns, and just most of the products just come literally just damaged, cracked and everything else, and Amazon just takes the refunds and so on. So, but I don't want to get involved too much into it. The bottom line is that with Amazon, it's just great way how to do it. You can learn loads and loads of stuff. In 1 year you can learn more than 5 years in university. But I wouldn't, if it comes to passive income, I wouldn't really go for Amazon. And you know, when it comes to comparing Amazon to affiliate marketing, it just, you cannot really compare these two. And I'll give you very simple thing why. Because with affiliate marketing, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, in a nutshell, it's basically you're selling other people's products for a commission. And as an affiliate marketer, you are dealing with the front end part, which means you are dealing with the selling part, and therefore when you sell a product, that's where your job finishes. You don't have to do anything about that. You don't have to pay attention anymore to that particular customer or whatever else it is. And all of the returns, refunds, customer service, all of this stuff is done by the product owner, right? So this is literally what, you know, brings that freedom and, you know, that time saved for you in the first place. Now you are going to, you know, get commissions from for these sales. It's usually a one-time commission, and you know, these one-time commissions usually go from 50 to 75% of the selling price, which is just amazing if you think about this. And you know, you as an affiliate marketer, most of your processes that you are going to use when you learn this stuff, most of them are going to be automated. That means that you are going to use softwares or, you know, programs that run on its own, and they work for you just like a 24/7 employee. So whenever you're on a vacation, even if you are asleep, they are still working for you and earning you money, even though you are, you know, you are just spending your time as you want. And you know, this already is almost, you know, automated, almost passive. However, it gets even better. So first of all, we already spoke that you get a one-time commission for a sale. However, there are products that if you do the research and you look for them, you will find products that offer a recurring commissions. That means that apart from your one-time commission of let's say 75% for that one sale, if the customer stays with that product for I don't know how many months next, for example 6 months, you are going to get a recurring commission for each of the month this customer stays with the product, right? So if they stay 6 months, you are going to get paid 6 months for that one sale that you made, right? So obviously the recurring commission is going to be a little bit lower than the one-time commission. However, it's still a great way, and this is literally passive income, guys. This is literally passive income because, you know, you make the job once and you're going to get paid for I don't know how long ongoing, right? And however, there is one more better way how to do this, how to earn passive income with affiliate marketing, and it is basically some idea that I like to call supporting products. So whenever you are involved in affiliate marketing, you are going to use some supportive products that really help you in, you know, building your affiliate marketing business, automating the processes and all of this stuff. right? So if you are in affiliate marketing, you probably know what I'm talking about. It's like an autoresponder, you know, email marketing, funnel builder, and so on. If you don't worry about it. You will get to that. So all of these products are, you know, products that really help you, and most of these products have affiliate programs as well. So what you can do is not only promote a certain product, as let's say I am, for example, in make money online niche, so I promote a product or a course that really teaches people how to earn money online. However, what I can do, or what you can do, is actually offer also supportive products to these customers. So let's say, for example, hello, hi there, you know, it's amazing that you bought the product, it's just amazing, it really changed my life. You can tell them this, and listen, if you want additional support, here's the product that I personally use, and it just brought me, you know, just made my system fully automated. It's just doubled my sales, or whatever it is, you know. Just be real and tell them and give them that one, and you can basically give them your affiliate link for these products. And most of these products, what is great about them is they offer recurring commissions from ranging from 20 to maybe 35% recurring income, which is just amazing, guys, because these products are products that people, when they buy them, they stay with them for a long time. And just for example, me, I'm using my autoresponder. It's a get response, and I just bought it, and most of these autoresponses are very similar to each one of them. So I just bought this one because I like the design of it, and I'm not even thinking about changing it, because what's the point of it? They are all very similar. I like this one, and you know, I'm happy with it, so I'm staying with it for, I don't know, years to come, right? And somebody else is probably getting a commission from me, for me, because I'm staying with the product, right? So this is exactly what you can do as well in your business. And the bottom line is that you know, it all comes down to the way how you promote your business, how you promote your products, how you talk with your audience, how you present yourself as an affiliate marketer, how you are going to promote these kind of products. And that all comes down to the strategy you implement into your business. You know, it's not enough just to share your affiliate links and, you know, talk about it. You gotta build that system, you gotta build that relationship with the customers, and, you know, build that trust in them. And if you are interested in it, then just click the link below. It's the first link in the description, and I've created, for all of you guys who are interested, a 4-day free video series where you will learn each day something new about affiliate marketing and how to implement this kind of strategy. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.